Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly rake in the cash while working fewer hours than you? It's not your fault. Not only is it a possibility for you, you deserve to earn more and work less in your life. We'll delve into 5 foolproof methods that can revolutionize your work approach and boost your income. Stay tuned to learn about the 5 simple ways to work less and make more money. Don't forget to share your own ideas in the comments so that we can all learn from you too. First up, we have a story about a man named John and his journey towards financial freedom. John, like many of us, once found himself stuck in a rut, working tirelessly with little to show for it. He was missing a crucial element in his financial strategy: setting income goals. John realized that without a clear income goal, he was like a ship sailing without a destination. So he decided to change course. He started by setting a realistic yet challenging annual income goal, but he didn't stop there. John broke down this annual goal into quarterly, monthly, and even daily milestones. This gave him a clear direction and a tangible target to strive for every day. As he began to work towards these smaller milestones, John found that his motivation increased. Each milestone achieved was a celebration, a sign that he was getting closer to his ultimate goal. This sense of progress helped John stay focused and committed to his financial journey. Over time, John's income began to increase. He was no longer just working to pay the bills, he was working to reach his income goals. His work became more purposeful and, as a result, more rewarding. By setting a clear income goal, John was able to chart his path to financial success. So set an income goal. Some people have a goal to double their annual income. Some people want to turn their annual income into their quarterly income. Don't be afraid, decide what works for you and start working towards it. Next, let me tell you about Sarah, a woman who turned her career around with one simple trait. Sarah was a hardworking professional, always diligent and dedicated, but she felt stuck, like she was running on a treadmill, going nowhere fast. Then, Sarah discovered the power of a teachable personality. She began to approach her colleagues and superiors, seeking their advice and insights. She started attending workshops, reading more books, and embracing opportunities to learn. This openness to learning transformed her. Sarah began to see her work differently, finding innovative solutions to old problems. Her colleagues noticed the change too, and soon, they were asking Sarah for advice instead of the other way around. This newfound wisdom didn't just earn her respect, it also helped her climb up the corporate ladder faster than she had ever imagined. She was promoted, her income increased, and she began to feel more fulfilled in her work. Sarah's teachable personality was the key to her accelerated career growth and financial success. If you are feeling this, smash the like button. Now let's dive into Tom's story, a man who discovered the power of focusing on the right tasks. Tom was a jack of all trades, working tirelessly but barely making ends meet, until one day he stumbled upon a quote by Steve Jobs: "Focus is about saying no." This got him thinking. Tom began to analyze his work and quickly realized he was spreading himself too thin. He decided to zero in on the tasks that brought in the lion's share of his income. For Tom, this was crafting email marketing campaigns. He found that one well-written email script sent to a large email list could generate substantial revenue. So he said no to all other tasks and focused on honing his email marketing skills. The result? His income skyrocketed while his work hours dwindled. Tom's story is a testament to the power of focusing on what truly matters, the high-impact tasks, the rainmaking work. Tom's ability to identify and focus on rainmaking work was his ticket to making more while working less. By the way, allow me to thank you in advance for subscribing to this channel, but we are not done yet. Imagine working for a company that truly values your work. This was the reality for our friend Emily. Emily, a brilliant web developer, was underappreciated and underpaid in her previous job. She knew her skills were valuable, but the market she was in didn't reflect that, so she decided to make a change. She started researching and discovered a booming market that was in desperate need of her expertise. This market not only understood the value of her skills, but was willing to pay top dollar for them. Emily made the leap. She moved to this new market and was immediately rewarded. Her salary doubled in the first year. Emily's story is a testament to the power of finding the right market. It's not just about working hard, but also about working smart. Being in a market that values and needs your skills can make a huge difference. Emily's strategic move to the right market significantly boosted her income. Last but not least, meet Michael, a master of creating lasting income streams. Michael realized early on that the key to working less and earning more was to generate income that didn't require his constant attention. He began by writing a book. Once published, each sale brought in revenue without any additional effort on his part. Next, Michael turned to YouTube. He created a channel centered around his passion for gardening, sharing his knowledge and experience with the world. Over time, the channel grew in popularity, with ad revenue trickling in long after each video was posted. He also explored the world of royalties, licensing a patented design he had created. Even after the initial work was done, he continued to receive payments every time his design was used. Through these ventures, Michael unlocked the secret to sustainable financial freedom. Michael's smart investments in long-term income streams have allowed him to work less and earn more. So, those are the 5 ways to work less and make more money. Pretty impressive, right? Let's do a quick recap. We've talked about setting income goals with milestones, adopting a teachable personality, focusing on rainmaking work, finding a market that values your work, and creating things that keep bringing income long after it's done. These strategies have the potential to revolutionize your income-earning game. Now it's your turn. Which of these methods have you used to increase your income? Share your experiences in the comments below so we can all learn from each other.